Train time on the CNM. We're just north of Sherman Road grade crossing here in Northbrook, Illinois on January 20th, 2026, Tuesday afternoon. Amtrak Hiawatha 337 approaches headed to Milwaukee. He's running ahead of 7 today, which is having mechanical issues in Chicago. Train 8 is running 17 minutes early and should be here shortly also.